Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear student, in my last video lecture, we can complete a topic of physics, very important topic of physics, that is light, reflection and refraction of light. Today I am going to start our new chapter of chemistry, that is a chapter number 2, that is acid, bases and salts. Here, that is third chapter is there. And dear student, I am going to complete a total syllabus of, that is science of CBSE class 10 day by day. Hence, please watch my all the videos. I can make a playlist there. I can completely make a playlist of that chapters of that light, and here that is in playlist of that acid and bases and salts there. You can watch my videos carefully. Then write the notes in your notebook, and then if that any doubt is there, then ask to me and send on my personal WhatsApp number. Look here, dear student, we study the acids, bases and salts. Is a very important chapter here, very important chapter of chemistry, and you know that chapter having the practical base. You know, many substances in nature, they can be divided into acid and bases. You know that acid and bases means that a nature of that substance is acidic or nature of that substance is basic. Dear student, firstly we can study the acids and bases, then we study the salts. Dear student, this chapter having three parts there. First part is the acid, then base and then that is salt. We can first study what is acid, which substances are acid, then we can study what is base, then which substances are base. Then a chemical reactions of acid, chemical reactions of base, uses of acid and also uses of base. And you know, in this chapter is a very important topic of indicator there. Means indicator is a such type of substance which indicate the nature of that acid and bases. Means a substance is acidic in nature or a substance is basic in nature, that should be indicated by using the chemical substance, and that is called an indicator. Means in this way, firstly here we study the introduction of that acid and bases. Introduction of that is acid and bases. You know here what is in by acids firstly, which substances are called acids. For example, you know here we take different kinds of vegetables there from the vegetable markets. You know, from that vegetables we can differentiate there according to their taste. According to their taste, which is the acid and which is the base. For example, you know that is lime. Lime having the sour taste, hence you know it is acidic. Tamarind, it is the sour taste, hence it is the acidic. You know, acid means acidus in Latin word. What is acid? That is acidus. Acidus means a sour taste. Acidus means a sour taste. Means according to taste we can differentiate the substance, or we can indicate the substance that having the acidic in nature. Means substance which having the sour in taste, that substance is a acidic substance. Any substance is there having the sour taste, that substance is the acidic substance, or that having the acidic nature. Means look here, the substance or according to taste, according to taste of substance, the substance having sour taste called acid, The substance having the sour taste called acid. Means dear student, all the substances in market or in laboratory or anyway that having the sour taste, they are the acids. They are the acids. Then you know, for example, lime, tamarind and other substances there. They are the acids. Natural, they are the natural acids there. They are the natural substances having the sour taste, they are the acids. And you know, chemicals are also there. Their chemical acids are there. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. You know, they are also the acid because they having all the substances having a sour in taste. They are called acids. Means sour means acidus. Sour means acidus, and they are called acids. You know here then what is in by base? What is in by base, or what are the bases? You know, for example, a cucumber or tonli in market, they having the bitter taste. The substance having the bitter taste, according to taste of substance, the substance having the bitter taste, they are called a base. Look here, there is bitter taste. Bitter taste means that is the base. Acidus, sour taste, that is acid. Bitter taste, that is bases. Means look here, that is according to taste of substance, the substance having bitter taste called base. They are called bases, or they are called base. You know, means according to taste of the substance, we can differentiate the nature of substance there, which substances are acids and which substances are bases. Means in this way, dear student, in this chapter we study what are the acids and what are the bases. Means you know here, and you know that is a nature of substance indicate by just you know that is a chemical or natural substance, and that is called an indicator. And you know here we can study now one topic of that indicator there. You can, I hope here you can understand that is introduction of that acid and base. You know, many substances in nature, they are acidic in nature or they are basic in nature, and we can indicate the nature of substance, it is acidic or basic there, by using the chemical and natural substances. They are called indicators. Means look here, that is a very important topic of acid and base, to indicate the acid and base, that is said to be the indicators. Means look here, we study the indicators. Indicators is a one very important topic here, and we can study the definition of that indicator. We can study the definition of indicator. Look here, indicators. What are the indicators? Look, that is, there are three kinds of indicator: that natural indicator, synthetic indicator and universal indicator. Look, that is, what are the indicators? The acidic or basic nature of substance indicate by using chemical or a natural substance, they are called indicators. Indicator means a substance which indicate, we can fix the nature of that substance, that is the indicator. The acidic or basic nature of substance indicate by using natural or synthetic substance called indicators, that is called indicators. Look here, and is the definition of indicator. And you know, dear student, there are three types of indicator. Look here, there are three types of indicators. There are three types of indicators. Which are these three types of indicators? First, natural indicator. Natural indicators. Then synthetic indicators and universal indicator. Universal indicators. Natural indicators, synthetic indicator and universal indicator. Dear student, today we can start this chapter number 2, that is acids, bases and salts. We can study the introduction of that acid and bases. Then you know, we study that is indicator, definition of indicator and types of indicator. Dear student, in my next video lecture or tomorrow there, we can study in detail that is a natural indicator, definition of natural indicator and example of natural indicator, definition of synthetic indicator and example of synthetic indicator, and definition of universal indicator there. Means in this way, dear student, this topic is totally based upon the practical here. When we can take a total practicals in laboratory of this chapter, when that school can be opened regularly there. And in this way, but before that, it is necessary to understand a theory of chapter completely there. You can write a notes in your notebook of this chapter, because I am taking total chapter day by day to take to make some video lectures there with the video lectures, and total topic should be covered in all these my video lectures there. Hence, it is necessary and please to watch all my videos there. Hence, to subscribe my YouTube channel Science Vision with Mandekar sir for watching all these videos and learns a total topic of this chapter here. And you know, thanks for watching my video.